Filming?
Yeah, it's filming.
No,
okay,
the other
everybody.
side, so this is your mother.
Don't subscribe to it.
We're gonna trick people into reading the sign. They're gonna honk, and then afterwards, they're gonna read if you're gay. So then it'll be a troll. Okay, so follow me, everyone.
Now I'm gonna follow him.
Let's see how many people will fall for it. Okay. So here we
The
go.
boss.
What? No. I guess these people don't want to freaking honk. I guess they're not gay or something. Some people are like terrible drivers. I swear, they're terrible. They freaking keep their eyes on the road. What kind of good driver does that? Not reading what.
Marco, you're gay.
Is that your brother, Eddie?
No. He's not gonna honk.
Guess they're not gay.
Some people come like, that was a 1 in a million reaction, Marco.
I guess 1 in a million people are gay at this.
Oh my god. I'm so freaking angry. I hit that
Go stand closer to the street so they can see you.
There's no one coming for like 10 solid seconds, so we're gonna wait a minute.
Because you're not stroking fast enough.
What? What?
He said no one's coming.
Oh! There you go, Marco. Let's see if this one works. It's fucking daddy.
That's my brother.
Okay, well, there's cars coming for now, so we're gonna wait a little.
That's my brother.
It's not your brother.
Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Don't
to this
subscribe,
video.
don't like him.
Your mother. Or the crazy Mexican on iPhone.
Please forget to like and subscribe to your mother. Subscribe to Eddie Bang, even though he's not gonna make videos anymore. But yeah, don't subscribe to him either.
Yeah! Alright! Let's do this!
That was my English teacher. Hi. That was Mr. Long.
If that was, he'd have gotten out. I'm pretty sure. Oh! It's paying.
It's paying.
Paying.
Fucking Asians!
So it was pink.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Oh no. He read it.
He read it.
He saw the if we
I'm so fucking.
We're gonna get in trouble because they see you recording.
Okay, I see people coming up.
This is going on my YouTube channel.
Really?
Yep.
Shit, it's my mom! Ah!
It is.
No, it isn't. Liar.
That was the same guy!
He's probably just gonna go back and forth.
What if that's been the same guy that's been going back and forth this whole time?
Motorcycles have honks?
It's horns and no.
Horns?
The motorcycles have honks. The motorcycles have
Prick.
You're the one that said, do motorcycles have honks? You won't get it again, though. Oh shit, wrong thing. I meant to zoom in on Marco.
Yeah! I think he saw the if you're gay part. Marco, I think he saw the if you're gay part. What are you gonna name it?
No idea yet. I still have to go through edits.
Honk if you're gay. Well, you gotta edit out my voice.
No, I'm just gonna edit out your coughing in this conversation.
Oh, okay.
Ah, we got one.
And that.
Oh, here comes Ping.
He got so excited.
It's fun pranking your friends while making a pranking video.
I know, right? I think he's good.
Yeah.
He's good.
How many is that so far? Like 5?
7. I mean, you could edit the counter. Go back, you noob!
I know, I still haven't zoomed in, my bad. I told you you'd get more results if you stood out by the street.
I'm a dog. Oh, that one's gonna Watch, a rich dude comes by. Oh my god, he's gonna get hella mad.
Who?
If a rich dude came by.
What if an actual gay person came by and honked like hella times?
He's gonna be like,
It looks like Trini.
Who?
Trini.
Tranny?
can drive. Trinity's a freshman.
Trini's a freshman?
Yes. He's fresh out of the box. Why do you think he has no scruff?
Pang's here.
Pang? It's not Pang.
I fell for it.
And then I just checked.
You know what I found funny? Only men have been honking at me.
Maybe because you're gay.
Maybe it's because they think that you're gay.
What's his face again? Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is the end of our video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Yao Mother or the Crazy One.
Marco, go back outside.